Java Inheritance in Object-Oriented Programming. In this tutorial, we will talk about Java inheritance. Java inheritance is a mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features by field and methods of another class. In Java inheritance, we use the keyword extends. In Java inheritance, we use the terminology subclass or the child class, the class that inherits from another class. The second one is the superclass or the parent class. It is the class that is being inherited from. In Java inheritance, it uses the concept of reusability. The concept of reusability is that it facilitates you or us to reuse the fields and methods of the existing class, because when you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods that is already defined in the previous class. As you can see here, the car is the subclass and the vehicle is the superclass. The relationship between the two classes is a car is a vehicle. It means that a car is a type of vehicle. The extends keyword here indicates that we are making a new class that derives from an existing class. As you can see here, my car object can access the method of the vehicle. This is inheritance. There are three types of inheritance in Java: the single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and the hierarchical inheritance. As you can see here, in the single inheritance, the class B inherits from class A, which is our parent class, meaning the class B can inherit the attributes and methods. Here in the multi-level inheritance, there can be a chain of inheritance. As you can see in this example, the class C can inherit the class B, which again inherits the class A. So there is a multi-level inheritance. And here in the hierarchical inheritance, when there are two or more class inherits a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. For example, the class B and the class C inherits the parent class or the class A. This is called the hierarchical inheritance. Now that is Java inheritance in object-oriented programming. So I will demonstrate on how to create a Java inheritance in the JCreator IDE. I'm gonna have a new file into my project folder, which is C desktop. Make a new folder called Java. Okay, and then I will make a parent class, which is the vehicle, and then create a subclass, which is the car. And now in the parent class, I'll have one attribute, which is the brand, string brand, the brand port, and then a method, which is the honk. Now in my car Java, this is my subclass, which I will extend into the parent class, the vehicle. Now this car has a one attribute. I'm gonna make one attribute, which is the model name. Model name. And the main class here. Main argument. Args. Now I'm going to create an object. Car object. Now, after creating the car object, I will call the method from the vehicle, which is this. I'm gonna call honk method in my main using my car subclass. My car, this is the object, and then the method. Now I will display the send it out to print. My car is beep beep. My car ano lang, honking. My car is honking. Then I will display the brand. This, I will display this. My car object, that brand. This is my car brand is my car model is car that model name. I hope it works. I guess error. Where's the error? Oh, I didn't concatenate. I forgot to concatenate. Fire, public static void main string, remove that, and we're done. So as you can see here, I'm gonna put one last touch. As you can see, I called the method from the vehicle using and the inheritance in Java.